Sophie Achak
from Stanbic Bank turned 500,000 into 10 millions in only 5 years. Is this possible? Right. Welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I talk about how you can develop financially, and also I talk about how you can get loans and how you can pay them, how you can use those loans to develop financially. Now, in today's video, I brought you a speech from
Sophie Achak
turned 500,000 into 10 millions in only 5 years. So let's listen to it and put it into action. By the way, if you're not a subscriber to this YouTube channel, please kindly click on the subscription button, like this video, and also share it to all your family members if you see there is a value in this video. Let them also learn how to save with banks and earn profits with them. Now let's listen to this speech from
Sophie
Achak from Stanbic Bank, Uganda.
My name is Sophie Achak. I handle investor relations for Stanbic Uganda Holdings Limited. I remember it was about 500,000 shillings. That was my very first investment. And that was in treasury bills, obviously, which seemed like a very simple one, short term, something I'm confident about that will come back after 3 months. Now, when I got used to the process of treasury bills, I ventured into bonds. Bonds are longer term, beyond 1 year. Now, the main attractive factor for me there was the fact that interest came through biannually, twice a year. Over and above the fact that at the maturity of this particular bond, you'd get back the amount you put in. When I did that the first time, it was very lucrative, and it was 2 years. Every 6 months I would get 2 payments, which was a good thing, and it was exciting for me. Extra payments outside my normal income. So I explored further into 10, into 5 years. I kept on over the years. I grew that up to 15 years. And it has been really useful for me because it's nice to see extra income come to your account. We had a group of friends, myself and some of my colleagues and other friends outside my workplace. We had what you'd call a circle. This month I get, next month you're getting, there's 3 of us. So whenever it came to my turn and we collected that money, I would put it in the savings account. And I make sure it grew up to a point of say 5 or 10 million, and I go and quickly put it in another bond. So at one point in time I had about 10 bonds running. Every 2 months I had interest coming because each of these bonds were maturing at different times and paying interest at different times. The more you get used to investing or getting avenues of cash, you start now even thinking of more opportunities to grow your cash. And that's where I thought about equities, investing in stock. Different companies. There are different IPOs that came up. I opted to invest in them, and the advantage is that you will have dividends coming from these different companies. What the investment family calls that is spreading your risk. If this particular investment doesn't work, I know I have the other one. If this one doesn't work, I know the other one is also coming. So for me, this has been a way by which I reduce my reliance on an income coming every month. The real intention is such that I can be sure that when I'm older and there's no more salary coming, I have income streams coming through. I have cash flows, not just from one thing, but one investment, but from various investments. The thing that we have these days in Uganda is that the investment opportunities are increasing. We have SBG Securities as an entity that offers those investments to you. It could be through investment in equity or treasury bonds, and there are various people whom you can invest through. But Stanbic presents you that through SBG Securities. I would say start now. You can imagine if you started at 25 when you just got your first job, or 23, how much would you have built in terms of investments and extra cash beyond your income? Each one of us wants to leave a legacy for our children. We don't want it to happen as it was in the beginning, where you have to take care of your parents, or you also, when you get old, you also want people to take care of you. What about if we change that story and make it us leaving a legacy for our children? And that for me is a very big driving force. Invest in different areas, or start with a bond, start with a bill. There are many people who can support you. SBG is willing to support you. Stanbic Properties Limited, all those are there for you to explore.
Right, you've heard how Sophie Achak started investing only 500,000 Uganda shillings, and she made up to 10 millions in only 5 years. So what is your plan now? This is not lies, these are truth, and this is what most people are not telling you on how they are making money with banks. Banks can pay if you really do invest with them and if you follow their procedures. Visit your nearest bank and understand more about savings account, and let's utilize them, right, and make money. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and also comment. Then also share it to all your family members. Let them also know how you and how other people are making money with banks. We meet in the next coming video.